Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to online classes, grade 9 chemistry. Today's topic we are going to discuss about new lesson chapter 3 atoms and molecules. In this session we are going to discuss law of chemical combination. What is types of law of chemical combinations? There are two laws of chemical combination: law of conservation of mass and law of constant proportions. Let us we discuss what is law of conservation of mass. Definition: law of conservation of mass. So mass is neither created nor destroyed during chemical combination or matter, or sum of masses of the reactants is always equal to mass of product, is known as law of conservation of mass. So example, burning of carbon. Carbon react with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. Before the reaction, reactant carbon present 12 grams of weight. Oxygen is present 16 into 2, so 32 grams. After the reaction to form a product, mass of the carbon dioxide is 44. So before the reaction and after the reaction, mass will be same. This is known as law of chemical combination. Example of law of conservation of mass. Methane react with oxygen. So before the reaction, methane contain 16 grams, oxygen contain 64 grams, total 80 grams to form a carbon dioxide and water molecule. Carbon dioxide contain 44 grams and water molecule contain 36 grams, total 80 grams. Before the reaction, present mass of the reactant 80 grams, and after the products, the mass of the products 80 grams. So this is considered as a law of conservation of mass. Once recall the definition of law of conservation of mass. Sum of masses of the reactants is always equal to masses of products. So in this example, before the reaction and after the reaction, mass will be same. Second one, law of constant proportions. It was introduced by Joseph Proust. Formulated the law of constant proportions. In a compound, the constituent elements are always present in definite proportions by weight, is known as law of constant proportions. So once again, in a compound, the constituent elements are always present in a definite proportions by weight, is known as law of constant proportions. Law of constant proportions. Law of constant proportions states that a chemical compound always contain exactly the same proportions of elements by mass. This law is also known as law of definite proportions. Let us see the example. Carbon is react with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. The same compounds, carbon is react with oxygen to form carbon monoxide. So here reactants are same but products are different, but it present in same proportions of elements by a mass. This type of reactions are called as law of constant proportions or law of constant definite proportions. One more example, water always contains two elements, atoms of hydrogen and one atom oxygen combined together in the same ratio of 2 is to 16 or 1 is to 8 by mass. If 9 grams of water is decomposed, we get 1 gram of hydrogen and 8 grams of oxygen. So this is known as a law of definite proportions. Once you recall the definition, in a chemical compound, the elements are always present in a definite proportions by mass is known as law of definite proportions.